Hello everyone, I am Vestri from Vishnu Institute of Technology studying third BTech. Now I am going to explain the functions like closures and asynchronous or await functions and callback functions and promises in Java. And next, firstly, in closures, closure is a function that remembers its outer variables even after the outer function has executed. Here, the inner function remembers the outer variable from outer function even after the outer function has finished executing. And next, asynchronous or await function. And this asynchronous and await functions are used to handle the asynchronous operations in a way that looks synchronous, but they are built on promises. And the key points, as we see, an asynchronous function always returns a promise. We use await inside an asynchronous function to pass execution until a promise resolves or rejects. And coming to the callback functions, the callback function is passed as an argument to another function and executed later. Usually, after some asynchronous task is completed, it is executed. And coming to the last function, promises, and a promise represents a value that may be available now or in the future or never. Like we have the states like pending, fulfilled, and rejected. Pending refers to the initial state, and fulfilled refers to the operation was already successful, and rejected refers to the operation has failed. And these are the four functions: closure, async or await function, and callback and promises. Now we'll go to the actual code I have written here. These are all closures that I have written. And firstly, this code defines a todolist module that manages a list of tasks, allowing functionalities such as adding tasks them based on due dates. Like firstly, we can see we can add here, and then we can do as mark as complete if the task is completed, and overdue and due today if the task is completed today, and due later if the task is completed later. And then here, to display label list is a method format that tasks into a readable list with checkboxes into indicating completion and optional due dates. Here we can see that I have given the checkboxes, and if the task is true, then it gives a cross mark, and it's false, it gives the open brackets. And then here next I given display date. If it is today, it represents today date. And next, it returns all the above. I have all the closures above I have given. And the next, I return here, and I have written a function that gives the today date and yesterday's date. And also, I added here all these due dates completed and to the totals list, like by giving the different titles, submit assignment, and next I printed by using console.log. Firstly overdue and next due today and then due later. Here to print these all we written the overdue, due date, due later, and to access that we written here the totals dot overdue and due today and due later. And now I'm running this, and now I'm going to run this code by writing node space index.js. And here we'll get the output. Firstly, overdue, we will submit assignment on it is the date. Here we have given yesterday, so it's of overdue. And likewise, here we'll get the due date, and it's here due date is today, and it's true. So it have given the cross mark, and next likewise it prints the due later. That's it. Thank you.